a corporate tax, because we've had guests who've said corporate tax reform is already passed in. Sounds like you don't agree with that. If the corporate tax reform does get passed, we could see another leg up for the markets?
Oh, for sure. For sure. We're going to see another leg up for the markets, I think, regardless, because we're still, one of the arguments, and I'll bring corporate taxes back in a second, one of the arguments against equities lately has been that you're going to see the peak in the cycle because the yield curve has been flattening. It's currently about 60 basis points on the 2-10 U.S. Treasury spread. So, and historically, when you look at the last 3 cycles, from the initial move to that 60 basis points, which happened last week, your median gain is 63% in over 1,080 days for the market. So we are so far from, quote unquote, the peak. So it's not whether you have another leg higher. Corporate taxes may give you an extra boost to that leg. So just to put it into perspective, our current number is 140 in earnings for next year. We're using a 20 multiple. If you add 10.5%, as the study showed, at a 20% corporate tax rate, that'd get you to about 155 off of my 140. That put a 20 multiple on that, and you're looking at over 3,100 on the S&P 500.
Wow. Listen, you've been the biggest bull on Wall Street for a long time, and you have been right, Tony. $2,800 target next year, more than 3,000 if we get this big tax cut, perhaps. At what point do you get nervous about the markets? I mean, there's got to be something that's going to make you less bullish.
Buddy, I've been calling it the Sanford and Son correction. You remember that show Sanford and Son when Fred Sanford would perfect.
Why do I even know that? I don't know.
When he would get stressed, he would grab his heart
and go, "I'm coming, Wheezy," or something like that.
Yeah, here I come, Wheezy. This is the big one, right? And then it was absolutely nothing. And I think we're in kind of for that kind of correction where it's just small, but because of the lack of volatility, it feels really big.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.